You ready? Isaiah, you ready?
Yeah.
1.
It's done.
Hey, back up.
You're gonna pass out, kid.
Pop that one.
Still looks amazing. Eggs and bacon. I've already had like 3 pieces. Delicious. Good morning, y'all. We've been up for quite a while this morning. JJ made an awesome breakfast and I ate an awesome breakfast. Got my meds done. We got the RV picked up. We got some clothes folded. I folded laundry. Haven't done that in ages. And I think right now we are headed to get haircuts. I need one. JJ and the baby need one. And so I'll take them now and probably, I don't know, we might even swing and pick up Olivia from school and get hers done. So I'm excited for how the day's gonna go. I haven't got any vlogs up. I promise I will do that tonight. Horrible vlogger. Yeah. I'm a little short of breath. Need to get my oxygen in the car. Yeah. So I think that's the plan. Is haircuts. Hey, you know what we could do? We could swing and pick up Olivia. Well, but I wonder if it was this morning. I turned on the air conditioner. Do you need anything in there? No. I love that I feel good enough to be going places.
What?
It's nice.
What?
I can't wait till we
What?
are on the road.
What?
What?
What? No.
Oh, that didn't work, guys.
Come on, but. Oh no.
Hola, y'all. We just ate at Steak and Shake. JJ said, let's eat there. At first I was like, no, I don't really want that. And I was like, I don't really feel like a greasy burger. But turned out it wasn't a greasy burger at all. I mean, I guess I should have thought steak burger, but I didn't. I had
It's a good kind of piece.
I had a portobello mushroom and Swiss burger. Oh my god, that was delicious. I ate half of it. I'll put the other half up and I'll eat it after I get home. And this is settled. And the milkshake. Oh my god, this milkshake is to die for. So that's probably, I'm getting some good calories in today. I gotta make sure I take enzymes when I get home. Because I didn't bring any with me. Which is stupid, really. Very irresponsible of me. Yeah, but if they've gotten hot, they're not any good.
But they're not good.
Yeah. So, we went and got haircuts. John JJ look beautimous with his, and my sister did mine. It's gotten really long. The humidity has taken to curling it, but it makes it look good. She layered it up. I love it. I think it looks awesome. It finally decided to rain. Well, we're not home yet, but it is raining
But home is that way, guys.
Yeah,
This
home's
corner
that way.
is that way.
So see where it's all bright and shiny? And then that is what's to come.
No. It's moving.
Yeah, I think it's moving that way. Oh, it's moving this way? Well, so I think that's moving towards us, which means that Shelbyville is in its pretty little bubble, and we're not going to really get any rain. Yeah. It's like if it rains everywhere else, there's no rain in Shelbyville. Oh, I should probably tell people where we live. That's stupid.
Your mistake, not mine.
I guess that's true too, guys. Don't. Well, oh, you should have said something. Ew, I don't want to get off. There's a thing of ketchup in here.
I figured that out, babe. I wasn't reaching. I was going to try and give him his stuff.
They're still really hot on the inside. I mean, that's too hot for him. I'm just afraid he'll say, it was hot. I squeezed them all open a little so they were cooling. I figured by the time we got home, they'd be perfect temperature. And he could sit and eat them and dip them in ketchup. He's addicted to ketchup. But hopefully the rain passes us so that we have a nice, beautiful weekend and everybody else can deal with rain. So, oh, are you ready for num-nums? Uh-huh. Yeah, we went bye-bye. So, yeah, y'all. I'm going to go home and I'm going to get the vlogs up and put laundry away. And then nothing. Kind of sounds like a good plan. So I'll update y'all with our nothingness later. This moment. Y'all, look at this. So we thought the store was moving away. But this is like right over where we live. This looks super nasty. Look at that. That just looks yucky. Like behind there? Wonder what it looks like when we get up on this hill. Thank wall.
Hey.
Say I'm big boy forward.
Cheese.
Cheese. We switched you to be a big boy forward. How you like it?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Okay, we'll let you out. So we just got home. We went and got our hair cut. We went and had some steak and shake. Then we stopped by Kroger because I needed to get some supplements. I like to buy my vitamins at Kroger because pretty much they buy one get one free. And their rating is pretty much just as good as any other vitamin company that I've seen. But I got to looking at my old magnesium, iron, and B complex vitamins, and I noticed that they were almost expired and some were expired. So I got 2 bottles of magnesium citrate, however you want to say it. And these are better absorbed than the other magnesium I had anyways, so hopefully my levels will climb a little faster. Then I got iron and sublingual B12. This is all under the tongue. This is more efficient at actually raising your B12 than just taking a supplement. So I'm hoping that I notice a difference faster. I definitely can tell that they're all 3 low because my energy level, like I'm doing things, but I'm kind of like a limp noodle. And I know it's just because I feel weak, and I feel weak because all of those things. So, but we just got home, and I am going to get the vlogs done. I'm sitting down and doing vlogs and not getting up until I'm done. Promise, super promise, I'll prove it to you guys. By the time you watch this, there'll be 2 other vlogs. One of our day at the zoo, and the other about $420. So if either of those interest you, my thoughts on 420 and cannabis, and then the other is just our day at the zoo. We took Isaiah for the first time and it was a lot of fun. So check those videos out. Hey y'all. So we are enjoying rain in the RV. JJ witnessed the coolest thing in the clouds. So he was standing under the what's the word? Awning. And like he noticed some clouds were going this way, other clouds this way, and this way, and you could like, when you looked up at the sky, you could see the clouds getting in like a more formed circular rotation. And so we stood outside and watched for a little bit. There was no rain. The clouds had been doing really cool stuff. I mean, as you see by the other footage before this, they just like, as we rolled in to where we live, they just started to look really cool. And then they started, you could just see them like start to do this. And there were some reports about 5 miles from here that there was a tornado, and there was some damage to some buildings and stuff. So, but there was no rain, there was no wind, no lightning, no thunder, no hail, nothing. It was just like quiet, and you could see the clouds just moving. And then about 20 minutes later, it just like the floodgates opened up. Some areas have reported like 4 inches of rain already. Thank God we went to another town all day today, because we were without rain all day. So that's been nice. We went and got haircuts. I love mine. My sister did like an amazing job. I just feel like I have a little oomph to my hair now, instead of just, it's kind of just long and straight. I had done some, oh Lord, son. Before, I just had it long, level, and then I had gotten some bangs. And JJ looks really good with his haircut. Yeah. So, I'm exhausted. He's exhausted. So I think a good rainy afternoon, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow too. So I guess we'll be spending a lot of time together. Maybe we'll break out some board games or some cards or something. So, probably gonna say goodnight now, because I'm not gonna be awake much longer, and it's only like 6:30, not even. But I'm whipped, and so I don't foresee myself staying awake very long at all. So JJ hates when I go to bed early, though. I feel bad. We talked about a movie, but no way I'll make it through it. 0. So I guess I'm gonna get off here and see y'all tomorrow.